Join me as I try to master my life using these 5 genius tech balance hacks. Let's see if they work. In today's digital age, finding a healthy balance between technology and our daily lives is more important than ever. With the constant ping of notifications, endless social media feeds, and continuous access to information, it's easy to get sucked into the vortex of tech addiction. But the truth is that mastering our tech usage is crucial to living a happy, productive, and fulfilling life. When we're in control of our tech, we're in control of our time, energy, and focus. And that's when the magic happens. When we let technology consume us, it can lead to some pretty nasty consequences. For one, it can cause major stress and anxiety. I mean, who hasn't felt their heart racing when they see that notification from their boss or that unanswered message from a friend? Or how about the feeling of FOMO when we're scrolling through social media and seeing everyone else's highlight reels? It's enough to keep us up at night, right? Then there's the distraction factor. How many times have we gotten sucked into a YouTube rabbit hole or a scrolling session on Instagram, only to realize we've wasted hours of our precious time? And let's not even get started on the impact it has on our productivity. When we're constantly checking our phones or switching between tabs, we're not giving our full attention to the task at hand, which means we're not doing our best work. Furthermore, excessive tech use can lead to a sense of disconnection from the world around us. We're so busy staring at screens that we forget to engage with the people and things that truly matter. And finally, it can even affect our physical health. Sitting for long periods of time, poor posture and eye strain are just a few of the physical consequences of too much screen time. It's time to take back control and find a healthier balance between technology and our daily lives. In the next few minutes, I'll be sharing with you 5 genius tech balance hacks that have helped me and countless others regain control over our tech usage. These hacks are simple yet powerful and can be implemented into your daily routine starting today. The first hack is to set a no-tech zone in your home. This could be your bedroom, your dining table, or even your entire living room. The idea is to create a space where tech is not allowed and you can focus on relaxation, connection, or simply enjoying the present moment. The second hack is to implement a tech curfew. This means setting a specific time each day when you stop using technology and instead focus on winding down, reading, or engaging in a hobby. The third hack is to use website blockers and app limitations to your advantage. Tools like Freedom, Self-Control, or Stay Focused can help you avoid distractions and stay on track with your goals. The fourth hack is to practice batching grouping similar tasks together and tackling them in one sitting, rather than constantly switching between tasks and getting bogged down by notifications. And the fifth and final hack is to schedule regular tech detoxes, where you take an entire day or weekend off from technology altogether. One hack that has personally transformed my life is the no-tech zone. By not allowing tech in my bedroom, I've noticed a significant improvement in my sleep quality and my ability to relax before bed. I've also noticed that I'm more present and focused when I'm spending time with family and friends, because I'm not constantly checking my phone or worrying about notifications. It's been a game changer, and I highly recommend giving it a try. These 5 hacks are not meant to be restrictive or punitive. They're meant to be liberating. By implementing them into your daily routine, you'll be able to take back control over your tech usage, reduce stress and anxiety, increase your productivity, and live a more balanced and fulfilling life. So, which hack are you most excited to try out? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own tech balance tips in the comments below. If you want more life mastery advice, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing some powerful productivity hacks to help you achieve your goals. See you in the next one.